welcome back to my channel Tutelage, a guide to learner. Here, this is Sriparna. Hope all of you are doing good. In my last two sessions, we had discussed few topics on Indian economy, and we all know that Indian economy is one of the most interesting topic or part of economics. So today I am thinking about some different type of session that is basically related to the question answer session, and we are going to start another session on Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. Basically, at present I stay at Bangalore, so that's why I am starting my new journey with the Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board, and it is commonly called as KSEEB. This is basically a state board, and like any other board, in this board there are two board examination mainly. So first one is SSLC and second one is PUC. So at first we have to know what do you mean by a PUC. So basically PUC refers to the pre-university course. This is a 2-year course under the 10+2 education system after class 10, and commonly it refers to the class 11 and class 12. So we all know all type of solved question paper of any subjects or the previous paper of the CBSE and ICSE board are easily available on YouTube. But model paper of the state board are not seen very much on YouTube according to my knowledge. So today we are talking about very introductory some question on economics of the first PUC or class 11, and here we can see we are discussing only very short type questions on economics. Okay? So let's take the question answer session and move on the main slide. In the new session, the first question, that is, what do you mean by a exchange? Okay, so the term exchange refers to the purchase and sale of goods and services. It involves transfer of the products from the different types of sellers to the buyer for price. So basically exchange refers to the purchase and sale of goods and different types of goods and services. Now going to the second question of the new session. So who is the father of statistics? In my previous session, the question was who was called the father of economics, and here who is the father of statistics. So that is the basic difference. So father of economics is Adam Smith, but father of statistics is Sir Ronald R. Fisher. Okay, so now going to the third question, mention the two types of data. In my last session, we have discussed what is data. Basically, data represents the numerical information about the social and economic activities. But if you have any doubt on it, so please go and check my previous session. Okay, link is in my description box and my first comment. So now going to the answer of the third question. So the two types of data, first one is qualitative data and second one is quantitative data, and which is also one of the most important and most common question of economics. So now going to the fourth question. Why does the problem of choice arise? Okay, so the problem of choice arises due to the following reasons. So first one, we have already told that human wants are unlimited, but resources are limited. So that's why problem of choice arises. To satisfy unlimited wants, the resources are limited. We have already told that the resources can be put to alternative uses, though they are limited in supply. So, or the problem of choice arises due to the unlimited wants and limited resources, and this is the main answer for this question. Why does the problem of choice arise? The problem of choice arises in economics due to the unlimited human wants and limited resources or scarcity in resources. So now going to the next question. So the next question, that is, who is a consumer? Okay. So we have already discussed what is the process of consumption, what is the process of production, but today we are discussing about the consumer and the producer thing. So the question is, who is a consumer? So consumer is one who consumes goods and services. It is very easy. So now going to the next question, who is a producer? So a producer is one who produces and sells goods and services for income generation. Okay. So consumer who consumes goods and services, like buyer, or consumer is another name of the consumer, is buyer also. And what is the producer? So producer is one who produces and sells their goods and services for income generation to the consumer or buyers. So now going to the next question, give two examples of the quantitative data. So quantitative data refers to the numerical data, okay, which is measured in numerically. Okay, so now going to the examples of the quantitative data. So price of goods and income, that is of income of individuals. So both are measured in numerically. So that's why these are the two good examples of the quantitative data. So now going to the another slide. So here we can see the last question of this session. So give two examples of the qualitative data. So qualitative data is basically a non-numerical data, so which is not measured in numerically. So the example are intelligence of the individuals and the taste and preferences. So intelligence and taste and preferences of individuals which are not measured in numerically. So that's why these are the examples of the qualitative data. I think this is clear to everyone. So we are done for the today's session. Here I haven't discussed the topic in detail because in my channel each and every topic is very well discussed. If any of you are missing, then please go and check my first comment and my description box. Okay, so I will come again with a new session. So if you like my video, so please don't forget to like, share, comment, and please do some support and subscribe to my channel for getting another new session. Okay, so keep commenting. Thank you all. Happy learning.